Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Mira, our cute and fierce warrior from K-pop Demon Hunters in a Chibi version. She may look serious, but she's still absolutely adorable in this super cute version. Grab your pen or pencil and let's start sketching together. Let's begin with Mira's eyes, big, shiny, and full of determination. Mira is the team's calm and disciplined member. She's all about focus and strength. Her weapon, the gakdo, is inspired by traditional Korean polearms. In the movie, Mira's combat scenes are beautifully choreographed, mixing martial arts and rhythm. Add the pupils inside, leaving small white reflections for that anime sparkle. Draw her eyelashes and eyebrows slightly tilted, giving that confident and bold look. Take your time here. If any part feels tricky, pause the video and continue calmly. Don't forget her tiny mouth and those cute little blush marks on the cheeks. Let's add her ears and tiny earrings to complete the head. Next, sketch the face outline, nice and round to keep that chibi charm. Mira's signature expression, that cute but serious face, was meant to show her quiet determination. She's the big sister figure of the group, always keeping the team grounded. Mira's pink hair symbolizes energy, youth, and passion, just like her fighting spirit. Time for her long, flowing ponytail. Make it big and expressive with soft curves. Tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? And in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi? If this adorable version of Mira made you smile, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Now, move on to her outfit, a mix of traditional and modern style, just like in the movie. Sketch her top first with those small shoulder pads and detailed patterns. Then draw her skirt with the cute little norige, or amulet on the side, super chibi style. Her design blends modern K-pop aesthetics with traditional warrior outfits, a perfect mix of old and new. Add her tiny legs and long boots, simple but full of attitude. If you enjoyed drawing her, don't forget to check out the other K-pop Demon Hunters tutorials. Just click the card above to explore. You'll find other art styles too, not just chibi ones. The creators designed her with strong, symmetrical shapes to show balance and discipline. Her fighting style was inspired by real Korean sword arts called a gunmu. Let's give her the gokdo, or waldo, her iconic weapon. Keep it short and rounded to match the chibi proportions. When you draw the blade, make it curved and soft, not sharp. We want it to look magical, not scary. Finally, refine the lines. We're almost there. The K-pop Demon Hunters team spent years developing each character's color palette to match their personalities. Here are some color tips for you to use. I used magenta for the hair, yellow for the skirt, and a mix of teal and dark blue for the outfit. But remember, you can color her however you like. Have fun and make it your own version of Mira. And here's our Chibi Mira, glowing, powerful, full of style and an infinitely cute charm. Keep drawing, stay creative, and never stop having fun with your art. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.